How to see deleted messages on Discord. In this video, we're going to be talking about deleted messages and how you're going to be able to see them on Discord in the easiest way. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going over to our Google Chrome, and here we're going to search up Message Logger V2. So once you search this up, basically what this does is it saves all the deleted messages in your Discord. So just go over to GitHub, and once you go over to GitHub, you're going to download Message Logger V2. And once you go to download Message Logger V2, it's going to obviously start showing you the download icon, as you can see over here. Now, once the message logger is done downloading, what you're going to do is you're going to just install it, and you're going to add it through the plugin section in your Discord. All right. And once you add it through your plugin section, just go ahead and scour through the installation. And once the installation is done, let me just download this over here. There we go. So here's the JS file, right? So I'm going to go over to my Discord. Once we go to our Discord, go to user settings. Once you go to user settings, what you're going to do over here is you're going to find the plugin section, as I told you. So just come down here. And once you're over here, you're going to find in the plugins. Now, once you find your plugins, simply go ahead and add the JS file that you just downloaded from the website. And that will basically allow you to see deleted messages on Discord in the easiest way. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.